Hi friends, today let's study Class 11 Biology, Chapter 1 Living World, Growth. Increase in number and mass of cells by cell division is called growth. It has two characters. Increase in number. Increase in body mass. Growth is intrinsic in case of living organisms. Growth is not a defining feature because non-living things too grow. Example: mountains, boulders, and sand dunes growth. Growth is extrinsic in case of non-living things. Reproduction. Reproduction is a biological process by which an organism reproduces an offspring that is biologically similar to the organism. Types of reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction that involves the production of an offspring by the fusion of male and female gametes. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved and fusion of male and female gametes is absent. Here, offerings are genetically identical. Types of asexual reproduction. 1. Spore formation, example, fungi. 2. Budding, example, yeast, hydra. 3. Regeneration, example, planaria. Metabolism. Metabolism is the sum total of all chemical reactions in the body's cells that change food into energy. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free system. An isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism, performed in a test tube, is neither living or non-living. Isolated metabolic reactions in vitro, lab, are not living things, but surely living reactions. Consciousness. It is the ability to sense their surroundings and respond accordingly. Both animals and plants exhibit photoperiod, which helps seasonal breeders. Only human has the self-consciousness ability. A patient in coma condition does not have self-consciousness ability, but has consciousness. Metabolism, cellular organization, and consciousness are defining features of living organisms, but growth and reproduction are characteristic feature, but not defining feature. Biodiversity. Number and types of organisms present on Earth is called as biodiversity. There are 1.7 to 1.8 million species on Earth. Binomial nomenclature. The system of nomenclature in which two terms are used to denote a species of living organism, the first one indicating the genus and the second the specific epithet. It was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in his book Systema Naturae. Rules of binomial nomenclature. First letter of genus is capital, first letter of specific epithet is small. It is derived from Latin and printed in italics. It is separately underlined when handwritten. Name of the author is written at end in abbreviated form. Taxonomy. It is a branch of science that deals with 1. Characterization, studying characters. 2. Identification, recognition of identity of organisms. 3. Classification, arrangement of organisms into taxa. 4. Nomenclature, assignment of names to organisms. ICBN International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. For plants, ICZN International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. For animals, taxonomic categories. Taxa is the unit of classification. Ernst Mayr gave the concept of species. Species is the basic unit of classification. Group of related species is called genus, followed by family, order, class, phylum for animals or division for plants, and finally kingdom. From species to kingdom, general characters increases and specific characters decreases. Here is the taxonomic category of mango, human, wheat, and housefly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.